Somewhere right now, a shopper is asking an AI what to buy. Not searching, asking. And the AI is answering. With 3 products. Not 10 pages of results. 3. Here's the question that should keep you up at night. When it answered, was your product even considered? For 20 years, Commerce had one rule: win the search results page. You optimized titles. You bought ads. You earned reviews. And when a human landed on your page, your photography, your brand, your story did the selling. That world is ending. Walmart products now surface inside ChatGPT, with checkout built in. Shopify and Etsy catalogs, the same. Perplexity recommends products. Google is folding shopping into AI answers. The interface of buying is becoming a conversation, and in a conversation, there is no page 2, there isn't even a page 1, there's just the answer. Here's the uncomfortable part. The brands that vanish first won't be the bad ones. They'll be brands with great products, great photography, great conversion rates, everything optimized for human eyes. Because an AI agent doesn't see your website. It doesn't feel your brand. It doesn't watch your video or admire your packaging. It reads your data. The ingredient list buried in a JPEG? Unreadable. The sizing chart that only exists as a photo? Invisible. The claim? Clinically tested, organic, lasts 48 hours, with no structured source behind it? To an agent, that's not a selling point. That's noise it can't verify. Your product page was written to persuade a person. An agent isn't persuaded. It parses. And what it can't parse doesn't exist. Watch what actually happens when someone asks an agent for the best magnesium supplement for sleep, under $30, third-party tested. The agent breaks that into requirements. It pulls candidates from the data it can read, structured catalogs, feeds, verified attributes. It compares form, dosage, certifications, price per serving, real review signals. It filters out everything it can't confirm. Then it recommends 2, maybe 3 products. The entire competition happened in seconds, in a place you can't see, judged on data you may have never structured. No retargeting can win that customer back. No discount code reaches them. The sale didn't go to a competitor with a better product. It went to a competitor the machine could understand. If this sounds familiar, it should. 25 years ago, businesses that ignored Google search became unfindable. 15 years ago, brands that ignored mobile became unusable. This is that moment again, except faster and quieter. Because an invisible brand still sees traffic, still sees sales. The decline doesn't announce itself, it just compounds, one AI-answered question at a time. But here's what the doom headlines miss. This is an engineering problem, not a death sentence. Machine-readable product data, verifiable claims, structured attributes an agent can compare. Every one of those is buildable, and right now, almost none of your competitors have built them. Invisibility is the risk. Being one of the 3 products in the answer? That's the biggest distribution opportunity e-commerce has seen since search itself. This series is the playbook. Next episode, we take real product pages and show you exactly what an AI agent sees when it reads them, line by line. If you sell online, you'll want to see yours. This is iBrains. The machines are already shopping. Make sure they can see you.